Janine and Jericho, latest updates. Actress, tawang-tawa sa kanyang coach.
Parang kulang sa moisturize yung leg niya.
So ano, mga tambay na kami ng sinehan. Mga abangers sa mga promo. Mga abangers sa mga manonood. Upang kami makapagpasalamat. We're number 1 still, bro. Number 1. What's up, friends? This is Q1 and Q2. We're in the Ortigas and Pasig. Yeah, Pasig. Yeah. We're just going around malls saying thank you to everyone, inviting everyone to watch also.
Third week.
Yeah, this movie still number 1 and it's third week and currently, yes, number 1. So we'll see you guys and thank you so much.
Kasunod salita. Hindi, wala na sa.
Wow.
Quezon and Osmeña. So let me please introduce and welcome Kuya Romnick Sarmenta as Sir Jasmine and
ito pala ako sabihin sa iyo. Sa panonood nyo ng pelikula namin. Salamat. At least hindi kayo pastilan.
My friends, your country is proud of you. Thank you so much.